You guys are here for the giveaway. Hi-ya! Alright, YouTube. This is it. I wanted to show you all how to do a quick coil clean and re-wick in about 5 minutes. Something simple and easy at home, and it's also kind of fun. So let's get it done. There's my shitty coils that I'm looking to remake nice. I'm fucking whip that cotton out of there and show y'all how to do this. Everything I need is right here on the desk. Scissors, cotton, native wicks is the shit I always use. It is the best, and ever since I discovered it, I won't use anything else. Just like those little flats that you buy, only it's in a big long rope, and you can cut them out. Fucking, sorry about the French. Cut them out, and you can reuse them. Whole long strand, you can flatten it out like this, you can pull it out, you can do whatever the hell you want with it, just like the other stuff, only it's one long rope, and oh my god, the flavor off that stuff is way better than the stuff you get off the other shit. Let's see. There's my coils right there. See them bitches smoking. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get these red hot. I got me a nice little shot glass of water here. Get them nice and red hot, and you're just going to dip them in the water. There we go. That's red hot. You're going to do that a few times. Don't dip your whole pen in the water. Just dip your coils. Now I'm working with my mech mod here, so odds are my battery's going to try to die on me because I threw them in here half lit up today because I was like, I want to go back to my mech mod. And then I'm like, I don't have my batteries fully charged for this. So what you're going to have to do, there you go, get them nice and hot, and dip them. You'll see all the black sediment coming off your coils in the bottom of this crap here. Now, I don't know if y'all can see that. You really can't see much with this shot glass. There's a bunch of little black floaties all over in there. It's coming from this coil. Let's see. Steam off all that excess. Water again. We only got one lighting up. We ain't got enough power. Huh? There we go. That one's lighting up now. Lighten them both. Dip. Just like that. Sizzle off all your old water. I'm going to get out my little T-post grabber because I'm going to want to stretch these back out a little bit because I don't want to leave them just hanging out all wonky. There we go. Stick your post back through there. You don't have to do this part at all, honestly, at all. Had I made a plan for this and not killed my batteries, I would already be done. Let's see what my other batteries running at right now. Because my batteries are both kind of dead. And my other batteries are on the charger. That's a little more power. There's 2 coils right there lit up. Nice for you. And there you have it. Now you got your cottons. Roll up your edges. Just your end just like you would any other time you're re-wicking. And just run it back through that fucking edge. It ain't very hot, so I guess I can just do this by hand. Grab the edge, pull it back through. There's one. there's 2. All you gotta do is fluff out the edges of your cotton again, fix them all up. Boof. You're all wicked up, ready to go. And those don't even look that bad at all. Hey, zoom. Show me those coils. Now, you'll only be able to clean your coils like this once or twice before you'll have to redo coils. But this will refurbish your coils back to like new once or twice, and you'll be able to get good hits off of them again. Thanks for watching, and shit, there you go. About 5 minutes. Had I not done a little bit of the backhand stuff, replacing the battery, we would have been it done. So, like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see some more how-to videos of stuff that you don't know, just random crap, I've been doing this a while, and I will do it for you. So, thank you for watching, and come see us next time. I just thought about it, guys. Thought about it, and I can't leave y'all hanging with some dry wicks like that. That would just be wrong. This wouldn't be a vape channel if I had dry wicks going on. So, let's fluff my cotton back up. I'll give you some juice and show you what happened with the finished product. So, there's my fluffy cottons. Right, yeah, I'm gonna take those and you tuck your ends in just like you do every other dang time. Oh, what? Who grabbed a hold of that too much and pulled it through? I did. Alright. Now, tuck it. Tuck it, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. Now, if you do it perfectly, then your cotton here should just tuck right down in here. Oh man, quit trying to knock over the water. Just like on that side, it'll do the same thing on this side. Should tuck straight down in there, not too much. You don't want a bunch of extra cotton. You trap too much junk down in there and then it just starts to taste bad after a while either way. So, bam. Let's juice it up and get to chucking. You like that. Oh. Get it done. Yeah. Yeah. And you don't even have to pay. I do this for free. Get you nice and lubed up. Everybody likes a good juicing. Oh my God, I'm making a mess. Who does that? Me. Oh yeah, making messes since 1992. Born to be a rebel. Whoop whoop. You guys could tell my fucking battery is almost dead. Boom. Back to chucking. Leaking. Back to leaking. As you can tell, I switched to my mech mod. And my freaking battery's trying to die on me. Back to chucking clouds, guys. Thank you guys for joining me. Sorry I tried to leave you before the juice up. We got you covered though. Come back for the next review. I try to make them fast when I do actual reviews because I feel like people want to get in and get that information fast. So if you think I'm talking too fast, let me know. I'll slow down. Either that or you can go down below and change your video speed. All right. Thank you guys.